High output, heavy-duty 1.2V portable air compressor with a powerful 3.5 CFM motor, capable of quickly inflating tires on cars, trucks, RVs, trailers, UTVs, ATVs, and passenger vehicles. Perfect for on- and off-road adventures. Rugged and compact, ultra-durable construction featuring a 25 feet coiled air hose with inline, glow-in-dark pressure gauge, and hands-free tire deflator for airing down. Lightning air chuck, patented, automatic locking air chuck securely connects to your tire valve with a rapid push to lock, seal, and features a quick release button for disconnecting without air loss. Overland ready, includes nozzle adapter kit for quick inflation of overland and camping accessories, balls, air beds, tubes, kayaks, etc. Long reach, 10 feet power cord, and 25 feet. Hose ensure access to all 4 tires and heavy-duty red, black battery clamps securely attached to vehicle battery to power compressor. The TrailPro portable air compressor kit is an ideal choice for those who need a reliable and versatile tool for inflating tires and other items on and off-road. Its powerful 12-volt motor provides fast air flow of 3.5 CFM, making it capable of quickly inflating tires and other items to the desired pressure. The compressor's compact and rugged design makes it easy to transport and store, and its heavy-duty construction ensures that it can withstand tough conditions.